right, team. According to the map, the secret stash of tuna treats should be 3 aisles down, past the
Is
candy
that the swirl
canes.
that looks like a paw print or a snowflake?
Paw print.
Sleigh bells ringing, lights everywhere, and a cart full of very good cats.
Did that box just sparkle?
It did, and it's got them hooked.
Hold it steady, I can't see the print.
I'm holding. What's it say?
Open on Christmas morning for instant cheer.
Huh, instant cheer sounds
And
serious.
sparkly.
The holiday aisle was ours alone, until the box began to move. Whatever it wasn't a toy.
Through the sparkling aisles they rolled, like furry travelers following a golden compass. The star drifted ahead, and lights all around seemed to dance just for